Okay, so I'm installing the newer style Type K thermocouple on my kiln that had old thermocouples. Now these didn't come marked, so I was checking which side of the thermocouple was magnetic. They have two different pieces of metal in there, and the magnetic side goes to the negative side on there. If you back thread your thermocouple, it will not read correctly, and hopefully your kiln throws an error. Otherwise, it will overfire. Modern kilns like a Skutt will throw an error probably in the first 5 minutes of the firing. Now, when you insert these, sometimes the thermocouples are a little tight at the back. So you can see me kind of widening the tines right there. And you want to make sure that these go fully into that middle box. So you can see me just pushing it in there. And then again, you just want to make sure that you really get the polarity correct. I'm just going to speed through, kind of screwing these back in. Takes a second to get this screw back in, so bear with me. And then once those are kind of in, all I do right at the end is just make sure that they're seated pretty well. So like right here, you can just see me jiggle it. Okay, so this is the back of the panel. You just kind of unscrew these on both sides and then pull it out. You do want to be careful not to chip the kiln brick, and then that's me putting it back in. Now, one of the important things, if you're ever working on your kiln, you always want to unplug it. I actually just turned the breaker off because I have a dedicated breaker for it. And I personally like to work on the kiln without the control panel on. It just gives you a little bit more access. But then you have to unplug everything. So this is just me plugging everything back in. It is important that you know the polarity of the pieces that you are plugging in, and obviously the top thermocouple goes into the top two, the middle thermocouple goes into the middle two, and the bottom thermocouple goes into the bottom two.